There once dwelled on this earth creatures so strange and wondrous that 65 million years after their extinction, they still excite the imagination of man.
Oh, they're here. Are we ready?
As ready as we'll ever be.
Something to tell you.
Hey, set on, set on. 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 Whatever will be, will be.
Can it be true? It must be true, no doubt. Life is going on as normally as ever. But suddenly something seems to have happened. Suddenly something seems to have happened. Everybody seems to be staring in one direction. People seem to be frightened, even terrified. I want everybody to understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
There are a lot of things we don't understand either.
We need answers from you. What did you expect to find? What did you expect to
Who's going to be our future?
It's your responsibility to do something about it.
Well, I have the key in my hand. All I have to find is the lock. The lock. The lock. The lock.
Now listen to me, all of you.
But I'm not so happy about the fact that they're gone. This is their legacy. This and the fantasy of the movies and television, toys, t-shirts. But really the legacy goes beyond these things because dinosaurs teach us about evolution and about survival. And they challenge us to learn about their mysteries. We are, in fact, only on the threshold of knowing about these beasts. They're still locked in our imagination.